To be honest with you, I have no complaints. I'm very happy and I'm satisfied. The work that was done expeditiously. I think it was just a couple of days. I like the idea of the vertical windows that I have, opposed to the square ones.
Yeah.
I'm trying not to stutter. And I like the fact that it did help with my electricity, and it also helped as far as it being, soundproof or whatever on the inside. I guess completely sealed is the word I want to use. My neighbor across the street, I sort of copied him. He had his sign up for a while. I checked out other companies, and Paradise seemed to have won as far as my taste and price, I guess. As far as quality, I'm going to be honest. The quality is what bought me.